Hello, good day. My name is Justin Dukran, and today I'll be presenting my ECNG 2004 design project demo. This is my student ID, and I will now begin. In the development of the digital frequency meter, we utilize a method known as pulse counting. Pulse counting counts the number of rising edges in a square waveform over a set interval. When this interval ends, the counter is reset to 0 and the gate is closed. Here we can see at every rising edge, the counter increments until the time interval ends. To produce a 10 kHz clock signal, which is the middle frequency, we utilize the frequency divider equation. A is equal to F reference over 2F required. Since we are using the Corona 2 CPLD starter board, the reference frequency is 8 MHz. Using this equation, we can calculate the value of A for the 10 kHz clock signal, the 1 kHz clock signal, and a 1 Hz clock signal. I will now be moving on to my demonstration on the Corona of the following upgrades. The first upgrade required us to display the unit of the frequency Hertz seen on the school runner. As you can see, a value of 37 Hertz is shown on the display after the upgrade. This upgrade was implemented in the time multiplexing module, where Hertz was given a 10-bit binary value to be displayed on the Corona. Moving on to the installation of the decimal point, correct to 1 decimal place. As you can see, the value now has a decimal point after the 36. This is correct to 1 decimal place. This module was also implemented in the time multiplexing display. Moving on to the third upgrade, the automation of the display frequency, which will allow the value to be slid across the display from right to left. We can now see that the value glides across the display from right to left. As you can also see, the decimal point is intact and the unit Hertz is also intact. A load shift register was used to achieve this upgrade. I will now be moving on to the last upgrade. The last upgrade is the slide rate controller. Currently, we have the value gliding across from right to left at 1 Hz. Pushing this button will allow the value to glide at 10 Hz and this button at 100 Hz. These are the 4 upgrades for the digital frequency meter. As you can see, all upgrades were successful, and I have now come to the end of my demonstration. I thank you for your time.